Hey guys, I'm Bailey and today I'm going to teach you guys how to make moon dough. All you need is half cup conditioner and 1 cup of cornstarch. First you're going to want to add all of your conditioner into your bowl. Next add your cornstarch. Now mix until blended. This is like slime, but it's not sticky. Now you're going to want to add a few drops of food coloring. And mix until the color is all the way on your Play-Doh. There are kits available at the office, and I hope you enjoy making moon dough. Thanks for watching.